Hello everyone, welcome to the next topic. Let's approach this gently and honestly. Before we begin, I want you to remember we are not trying to force thoughts into someone else's mind. We are practicing something much simpler, creating a clear internal signal and directing it with intention. That's it. What does sending really means? In this course, sending a thought means forming a clear mental signal, holding it steadily, directing your attention towards a person, whether the other person consciously receives it or not. The real training is happening inside you. You are building focus, clarity, and intentional thinking. Next is the preparation of your mind. Before sending anything, your mind needs to be calm. Take a few slow breaths, let your thoughts settle. If your mind feels scattered, the signal becomes unclear. So don't rush this step. Calm first, then clarity. Let's do step by step practice. Step 1. Choose a simple thought. Start with something very basic. A color like blue, a shape like a circle, a simple object like a coffee cup. Keep it simple. Next is encoding it clearly. Visualize it. Make it bright, stable, easy to hold. If it fades, gently bring it back. Next step is adding a light emotion. This is important. Attach a subtle feeling, calm, warmth, neutral focus. This strengthens the signal. Next is thinking of a specific person. Bring someone to mind, not vaguely but clearly. Their face, their presence, no strain, just awareness. Direct your attention. Now gently hold your thought and place your attention towards that person, not forcing, just intending. Stay with it for a few seconds. Next is keeping it light. This is very important. Don't strain your mind, don't expect instant results, and don't overthink what's happening. The moment you force it, clarity reduces, so keep it relaxed. If you have someone to practice with, one person sends, example a color, the other relaxes and notes impressions. Then compare, not to prove anything, but to observe patterns. What you may experience is improved focus, clearer mental images, a stronger sense of intention, and sometimes with practice, small coincidences, matching impressions, but don't chase outcomes, stay with the process. Let's have a simple practice plan. Try this 1 to 2 minutes calming your mind, and then 2 to 3 minutes encoding and sending. That's enough. Consistency matters more than duration. You are not trying to control anything. You are learning to think clearly, hold attention steadily, and direct your awareness intentionally. And that alone is a powerful skill. So keep it simple, keep it gentle. In the next lesson, we'll explore the other side of this process, receiving thoughts, how to notice and interpret subtle impressions. I'll see you there.